So how to do that? How to use triggers in your relationship, like throw yourself into triggers with open arms. First of all, I know there are many experts around communication also on this Evolve Fest. So I hand this whole thing around communication over to them because I'm definitely not good at that. What I promote is something on top, and that is, do not jump into communication in words and do not jump into communication with your partner before you didn't jump into the trigger on your own as energy. And that's insanely important. Chaos is about energy. You can stand up and say to me, Ilan, I think my eyes are ugly. And the next one says, my mother is making me freak out. And the next one says this or that. And then I come with my drama. And this is just such a mess. Whatever it is, if we take it as, Ilan, we have to talk about your drama. Oh, we have to talk about your eyes. Oh, we have to talk about your mother. We are busy with content. It's never about that. It's always about the charge of energy underneath. And the more you say, no, this is about the content, the more it is about the energy. Just test it. Prove to me that I'm wrong, but test it. Test it. And it's really like going into cold turkey. I want to jump into your face and say to you this because I'm... It's really like, you don't go there, Ilan. You don't go there. Pull your energy back and go into shaking. Why shaking? Because it's just about getting chaos back into your patterns, getting chaos back into your routine, going into your head and being right and being smart because you read more books about self-love and self-help and you attended to the Evolve Fest. So you are some kind of expert and your partner isn't. This kind of back into the body, shake it all up. That is a super useful thing because after that, you are magically better connected to yourself. Every gram that you are better connected to yourself is a gram more of self-love. So let's go for self-love because it's like in the same way cool as love cool is cool. And coming from there, it's not about you won't talk about it. It's not about you don't have to clarify something with your partner, but it is about you are standing on your side and you are present. And why do people not talk in relationships? Because they are afraid of collapsing in front of their partner, facing the conflict. The moment you have been shaking up your inner patterns of avoiding your clarity, avoiding your power, avoiding your love, avoiding your presence, you're standing there as a way better energetic contribution to this maybe conflict that then happens. But my experience is the more we run into the trigger as an alone job in the very first moment as energy and put the words and put the partner as plan B or like the second phase after that, the better it works. It like magically makes your outer life peaceful because you were welcoming the turmoil already inside. You are not like, I meditated, I wanted to stay silent inside and you are making me angry. It's like then you just don't want to let anything into this peace. And that is why everything is pushed to the outside. And you already see in my chart, it's like, yo, Ilan, meditate, it's okay. But, and the moment that you are like, I meditated, it was so blissful. I think it was Samadhi, and now my girlfriend is freaking me out. I hate it. Why is my life so fucked up? This is throwing yourself into the change. And after that, having a present update about the situation. So that is how you can do that super practically. Shaking in a physiological way, super concretely. Get your legs and arms into chaos more than you want to get into chaos. Like Throw more towards the death than the death wants to have from you for now. Throw more, feed him, feed the death, feed it. And that is how it's so much easier to stay so present with the gratitude that is possible in this process.